Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble shooter gun. These fun devices bring joy to all ages, creating countless shimmering bubbles with ease. We will cover everything from initial setup to maintenance, ensuring you get the most out of your bubble blasting adventures. Get ready to transform any space into a whimsical wonderland with just a few simple steps. Let's dive in and learn how to master your bubble shooter gun for endless fun. Getting your bubble shooter gun ready is straightforward. First, locate the battery compartment, often on the handle or base, and insert the correct number and type of batteries, usually 2 or 3 AA or AAA batteries. Next, either pour your favorite bubble solution into the gun's reservoir or attach the pre-filled bottle if your model uses one. Make sure the solution reaches the recommended fill line, typically about 3/4 full, and then securely close all covers. You are almost ready to start the bubble magic. Now for the fun part, shooting bubbles. Hold your bubble gun steady, ensuring a firm grip. For the best results, aim the nozzle slightly upwards, perhaps at a 15-degree angle, allowing the bubbles to float higher and travel further. Gently press and hold the trigger to activate the fan and release a steady stream of bubbles. You can experiment with how much pressure you apply to the trigger to control the volume and density of the bubbles, creating a beautiful, bubbly display. To keep your bubble shooter gun in top condition for many uses, proper care is essential. After each play session, empty any leftover bubble solution and rinse the nozzle and reservoir with clean water to prevent sticky residue from clogging the mechanism. Wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth and store the gun in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight. If you plan not to use it for a while, remove the batteries to prevent any potential corrosion. Enjoy countless hours of bubble-filled fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.